Hey, Bluegrass, can we go thrift shopping?
Hello, YouTube world. My name's Anthony Long. I'm the bluegrass picker. Sounds so weird to say that. But I pick bluegrass on my guitar, mandolin, and a little rock too. I'm a big Led Zeppelin fan. But I sell a little bit on eBay, and I sell my antique mall booth and flea market booth. And I'll be going into Etsy, and I've got some stuff on Mercari, and I'll be selling another platform soon. What sold on eBay yesterday? First thing is these nice Adidas, and they're in good shape. And I've had them up for about 6 months. I bought them, if I remember right, like $8. Took off the marker, and I got it at Goodwill. They were such good shape, and they're A6. I figured they'd do good. I've had them up for a long time, and I realized yesterday that I think I started them at 39. And I've just worked their way down, and I've had quite a few watchers, people going by and looking at them, views. So they look good for someone that wants them. I just had them too expensive. And then I realized yesterday, I'm like, crap, wrestling season's almost done. So I lowered them to $24.95, and someone bought them like the next day. So, I think I need to run. I need to start bringing the prices down, especially stuff that's getting viewed, because they want to buy it, but it's just not the right price, or it's because I think I had $8, no, $6.50 for shipping, which I'll probably lose $1 on that, but I'm just got to get them out. This is a cashmere. Let's see if it's all cashmere. 100% cashmere, Joseph A. Bank. It's one of those bolos. I like Joseph A. Bank stuff, and my brother-in-law gets it, and they run specials every once in a while. If you've ever been there, it's pretty expensive, but they run like 75% off or buy one, get one. And it feels so good. I've never really had a cashmere sweater, and this looks nice, like a little pullover. It's a medium, so I was kind of worried about that. And I'm worried it's going to get, shipped back just because it's closed. But I got this for $2 at Goodwill. It was yellow tags day, so it was half off. It was only $2, and it sold for $17.95. I had it up for about a week, and I think I charged $4.50 for shipping, so I'll probably lose another $1 on that. But I want to recoup some of it, but not have it too expensive. These are just two things that sold on eBay yesterday. Grind on, friends. I just wanted to go over one more thing that sold while I was making the video. And actually it had sold, but they hadn't paid yet. And it's a Brad Thompson autograph. He was the #1 pick in 2019 for the St. Louis Cardinals. He's a really good left-handed pitcher. And he did so good last year in single A that they even promoted him to spring training as a non-roster invite, which he won't make the club, but he's pitching really good, and he's pitching well fast. Usually it takes a couple of years. And so because of that fact, I threw up an auction for $10, and it sold. It only had one bid, but it was my least I could take on it, and I've got 4 of these. Okay, so I don't care much, and I have one that's actually a lot better, so I'm going to keep the real good one. And I'm into this for very little money. I did some card breaks. I buy the card breaks for like $25, and there's been times where I've got 2 of these in there. So and there's lots of other cards. So I probably have $2 into 10. So it's a nice little flip. But another thing with sports cards, old sports cards do not sell. If you have old sports cards, the people that are buying them right now don't want old sports cards, even if they were good. They're just the people that can be good and can make some money for them are these new kids that are rookies. The people that are older, we already know what they got, who they are. Some of the Hall of Famers will still get good money, but other than that, it's not really worth it. So these new ones go really, really good. And so when you do a card break, the ones that are most expensive will be the ones that have the better rookies. So this is just another thing that I like to do, and grind on.
Bye from Bluegrass Pickers. Stay tuned.